Doubtless inspired by an ocean wave, a hairstyle of centuries ago is recreated for a pageant of hairdressing. Petronius adds a touch of ancient Rome to the show which takes place at Belle Vue, Manchester, now a style called Winter Princess. Medusa, the snake queen goddess, makes her bow. But women don't have this sort of thing all on their own. Dennis Jones models a style known as the curled semi-crew cut. Now the DA cut, which contrary to rumour stands for District Attorney. Cuts of all styles are displayed, though some can be taken with a pinch of salt apparently. Perhaps the most daring man of the evening is Gilbert Wallis, a willing victim of the brush cut. The Teddy Boy is the appropriate name for this style. Another favourite, the Tony Curtis. The models face the judges who will decide the hair beauty queen and her escort, the gentleman of 1955. For once it's the males who come in for the most attention. Crew cut, teddy cut, bob cut or razor cut, which will it be? Applause for the winner, Dennis Jones and his curled semi-crew cut. The Bernard brothers settle for the old short back and sides.